Good morning. It's Cindy Birkland here with cindybirkland.com, and we are back at it with our Naked Money series. And last week we started talking about the naked truth about life insurance, and we touched on how much money do you need, and we started with the basic formula for this is 8 to 10 times what your annual salary is. So if you make 100 grand a year, you're going to need 800 to $1 million in life insurance. Now, that seems like an awful lot but when it gets down to who you're leaving behind, if you're leaving behind a wife and children and the needs of the children that are going to carry on into their future, the last thing you want is your wife having to get remarried right away because she just can't make it with these kids. So let's talk about term insurance today, because term insurance makes up for so many when it comes to financials. So term insurance, why would you use term insurance? Well, number one, it's the most inexpensive insurance you can buy. Term insurance is there when you need it, meaning when your children are growing up, or I always tell younger families, term is really important that we add term along with cash value life insurance because it's really inexpensive and it gives you the added coverages that you need. So if you have kids that are going to need to be getting through college, if you need to pay off a house, you need to pay off some debt, this is the way that, if you don't want your wife to work, or, your wife hasn't been working, but you don't want her to be forced to go to work just because your income has been lost, term is a great way to make up the difference. For younger families, I find this is the way to go, where you can do a combination of term insurance and cash value life insurance. And we're going to get into that in the later segments, like why you would do that. So if things are, seem so expensive now, imagine what they're going to be in the future. And also term insurance is a great way to really offset inflation. And I look at it like this: when we all know that we're going to die, and there are life insurance companies that are betting on your life. It's like going into a casino and betting everything on black, knowing that it's going to hit black. It's, to me, it's just such a great option for your family if anything happens to you. And if you're not exorbitantly wealthy, then you got to have insurance, and term insurance is the way to go. So if this conversation interests you in any way, please get a hold of me at cindybirkland.com and let's have a chit chat. Cindy Birkland here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching the channel. And if you want more content, just need you to click right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, clicking right here. If any of these conversations have interested you, please get a hold of us at cindybirkland.com, or you can reach me at cindybirkland@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching.